So this is a nice composite sliding gate job we've done. I'll talk you through what we installed here. We manufactured and installed a composite sliding gate, as you can see, bespoke to the customer's recommendations. We fitted 2 down and up lighters, as you can see. We've got a pedestrian access gate. We fitted a parcel box. We commissioned a bespoke sign, or house number shall I say, and we've got a GSM intercom system. Customer wanted a bit of a contrast between the composite sliding gate design, which is for privacy, so obviously when you are looking from the road, which is up there, you won't be able to see through to the customer's vehicles, but they wanted it to be a bit softer so it wasn't completely closed boarded and private, and we put some barred railings there just so it can split the design a bit and soften the blow. I think it's come out really nice, as you can see. I'm filming on my phone on this one because I haven't got my camera on me, it's in the office. But yeah, very nice installation if I may say so myself.